Hello everyone, my name is Tyler Harn and today I'm going to walk you guys through how to use ESPN's Fantasy Football. Whether it's going through college, taking care of your family, we've all got busy schedules and we all have a favorite pastime and mine just happens to be fantasy football, so let's get started. If you look over here, there's a couple different options. You can create your league. First thing you got to do though is you got to set up an account with ESPN, as mine's already signed in. It's very easy. It's free accounts. You just have to set up an email, password, a couple questions, and then you're good to go with the account. So here's my account, and I'm actually already in a league, so I don't have to worry about doing this. So if we go over here, here is my team page. As you can tell, I'm 1-2, ninth in the league, not doing very good. But anyways, it's very simple. You got a couple click pads here. I mean, they're all very self-explanatory. If you touch this one, it'll take you to your main league page where you can see who's adding, who's dropping players, who's doing what. You go here to players. It shows the available players and who you can pick up for your team. The standings, very simple. It shows where you rank in the league, what place you are in, what division. There's a cool feature down here that if you do need assistance and my walkthrough isn't good for you, there are other buttons here, and you could also hit the Fantasy Football Help page, which if you choose football, that's what we're doing. You can ask any question here, and most of the questions that you have will be answered. The only question I've found they can't answer is how to win, because I've never won, and every year it just seems to be real different. That's what keeps it interesting, though. Alright, another thing I wanted to show you guys was, let's get out of these screens here. It does have a scoreboard feature, which you go to, and it shows all of the past week's score. And you can select which week you want to see scores from. If you go up here, like this will switch it back to week 1. This will bring it to week 4, which is what we are in right now. There's also a few more options here. There's your weekly ratings, your scoring leaders for the week. There's a show, which is a podcast if you watch it, which is on the top fantasy players. If you click this More tab here, there's plenty of options that you can go through. Alright, let's go back to the home page here. Alright guys, signing up for Fantasy Football is that easy. You just go to the ESPN Fantasy page. You create your account, which was over here. And then you just sign up for the football leagues. Thank you for listening to my speech. Have a great day.